Hey everybody, it's Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. One of the things we're going to do today is we're going to refresh and replant this carrot box and this carrot box, and we're probably going to replant that carrot box and this carrot box. Now we harvested this one and this one. These never did really do anything, but we harvested these. Had mixed results. I had some ginormous carrots and had some tiny carrots, and had some that didn't look like they really grew much at all. In retrospect, I think that might have been the variety that I chose, and I believe part of that was because the blend that I bought was a mixed blend, and not all of those carrots might not have had the same growth rate. It was labeled as a 120-day variety. But I went ahead and plucked up a bunch of them, and we got some good snacking. I'll give you that much. Hey everybody, this is Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. I just wanted to show you very quickly some of the carrots that we got out of our carrot beds. It's a pretty decent sized carrot there. These are a little smaller than I wanted, but still pretty good. So we're going to work on rebuilding these. I have a little bit of bone meal. I do have perlite, but I'm not going to crack open a 4 cubic foot bag to do these two beds. Once you open perlite, you got to have something to put it in. So I'm going to, we have some sand. We're probably going to agitate a little bit of sand into it. And then I'm going to agitate what's left of the bag of bone meal between the two. Or maybe I'm going to use the sand for covering it. We're going to find out when we get the agitator in here and see what happens. We're going to use, at first, we're going to use our little Black & Decker agitator. And then we have a couple of hand shovels that we'll use to go from there if I feel like I need to break it up any further. We have a little bit of bone meal left. So we're going to put that in between the two beds. Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. I'll keep you updated as I go on this project. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Okay, so I ran the agitator through this, and then I sprinkled the bone meal on. But this stuff, I mean, look, this stuff is still super, super light. I'm just barely doing anything. And this little shovel's sinking right down through. So I feel pretty good about the soil composition anyway. So what I'm going to do then is I'm just going to go ahead and prep it for for putting the seeds in. And I'm going to do that by punching holes with my fingers every 2 inches. And then the seed I'm going to use is a pelleted seed that I have left over. I'm not going to use the kaleidoscope blends. I'm going to put in a having trouble saying it, and a Danvers. So let's go with that. I'm going to start probably with the Danvers in here, and then we'll go with the other blends in the other boxes if necessary. I don't have any more bone meal for the other boxes. Maybe I'll get some, maybe I won't. I am expecting to go to town later because once again I have to do another repair on my wife's Jeep. Chrysler, right? Okay, so I'll keep in touch with you here in a minute. There we go. This box has been planted and dusted over with sand. And then this box has been planted and dusted over with sand. And that's a Danvers carrot. And that is a 75-day period for that carrot. So this one and that one there we're going to do in our other variety, which is I want to say it nanites or nanitites or something. I don't know how to pronounce it. But we're going to seed that one and this one in that. And I don't have any more bone meal, but you know, this soil it's pretty loose, so I'm not going to sweat it too much. Next time I do carrot beds though, I will screen the soil to get the sticks and chunks and stuff out of it. You know, most of the potting mixes and soils that you buy are derived from decomposed wood products. So next time I'll screen it, but I'm not going to mess with it right now. I'm just going to punch it up, like I said, 2 holes apart, you know, boom, boom, boom. Here, I'll just show you real quick. And it may be hard to see with my shadow there. And these are pelleted seed, and they're pink, so I'll be able to see them. And we'll drop them in there, and I'll dust those over with sand. And we'll soak them down with the watering wand. There is no drip irrigation on this garden. This is a new garden. This is a secondary garden. Again, we're qualifying this. But I'm going to go ahead and get these boxes done. Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. Thank you very much. If you haven't seen our original carrot planting video, I'll put a card to it right about now. And I also like to remind everybody to go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you found the video enjoyable, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget the bell and choose all notifications. Thank you. Have a great day.